Assalamu alaikum guys. How are you all of my dear brothers and sisters? I hope all of you my brothers and sisters are all okay. This is Hassan Khan, your trusted currency money exchanger. We providing you the following services: India to Bangladesh money transfer service available, Bangladesh to India money transfer service available, India to Pakistan money transfer service available, Pakistan to India money transfer service available, Bangladesh to Pakistan money transfer service available, Pakistan to Bangladesh money transfer service available, USD dollar to INR PKR BD money transfer service available, INR PKR BD to USD dollar exchange service available, Binance USD dollar Bitcoin BTC Toronto ERC20 USDT and cryptocurrency coins token exchange service available. Your trusted online money exchanger and your trusted online money transfers. For contact and further more details, you can message me in WhatsApp. We providing you the following services for money exchange and currency exchange and money transfers. Online trusted money exchange services available from our site. So you can send money from any country. You can send money to any country with from India, Pakistan and Bangladesh. So if you want to send money or money transfer or money exchange, you can message me in WhatsApp. We provided you the following services: India to Bangladesh money transfer service, Bangladesh to Indian money transfer service, India to Pakistan money transfer service, Pakistan to India money transfer service, Bangladesh to Pakistan money transfer service, Pakistan to Bangladesh money transfer service, USD dollar to INR PKR BD money transfer service, INR PKR BD to USD dollar exchange service, Binance USD dollar Bitcoin BTC Toronto ERC20 USDT and other cryptocurrency coin token exchange also available.